Hey, hey. Welcome everybody to Miss Glow's Kitchen, where there's sugar, spice, and everything nice, where we slice, dice, and entice, using everything we can, from peppers to allspice. What's up, my people? Y'all know what time it is? See y'all in the kitchen. The ultimate grilled cheese is on our menu today. And here's what we need to make that ultimate grilled cheese sandwich. I'm using sourdough bread, so you need some bread slices. I found slices of sourdough, which was perfect for me, perfect size, because they're bigger than just regular sliced bread. All right, I am putting some mayo on there, so that is Hellman's mayo. Now the mayo is going to give it a little bit of a tang, so it's going to add another layer of flavor on there for us. If you don't want to use mayo, then by all means use butter or margarine. It's going to work perfectly. Right? I've got 3 different types of cheese. I got a smoked provolone, a Swiss, and a mild cheddar. Smoked provolone, the purpose of that in here is going to give us a little smoky flavor, but the thing about it is I don't want the cheeses to cancel out so that you lose the flavor of cheese in your sandwich. So smoked provolone as opposed to just a regular provolone. That's the reasoning behind that. Swiss cheese, going to give it a different flavor. And of course, anytime I'm making grilled cheese, I gotta have one of these cheeses on this. Either going to be a cheddar or an American somewhere. So to appease myself, I've got a mild cheddar there. Now you can switch your cheeses up, and that's why I call it the ultimate grilled cheese. Great time of the year. End of September, beginning of October, you really do run into those weekend farmers markets. So try some different cheeses and try them on a grilled cheese. Can't go wrong with it. And if you don't like it, hell, toss it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, of course. Toss it if you don't like it. But just try something different. So same as I say, try a different seasoning when you go to the store. If you see different types of cheeses, try them. You might want to use it on your grilled cheese sandwich and your mac and cheese. You might want to, do something a little bit different. So give it a whirl. How about that? All right, so I got butter right here mixed with olive oil, but just plain butter will do right here, or margarine as I said. So easy recipe, few ingredients, quick meal, snack, hell, quick breakfast. All right, so I'm going to put some other butter in the pan. You can use margarine again, so however you like. The thing about this is we want to make sure the cheese is melted. And the second thing we want to make sure that that bread on the outside is absolutely toasty. It is crispy. And when you get it crispy like that and a nice golden brown, your sandwich is ready. Thing about it is, if you are a beginner cook in the kitchen, what you do want to do is take your spatula, you want to lift the corner of the bread up, and you want to make sure you don't burn your sandwich. Now, if you haven't hit that like or that subscribe button already, do that and hit that bell for notifications so you'll be one of the first ones to know when I put a new video up. All right, so on to this. We're going to speed it up. I'm going to get you to the point where it's golden brown. All right, quick. You can see I'm checking. Just what I told you to do. Make sure you check your bread. Flip it over, flip this as many times as you need to until you get it to your desired crispness. So it's going to be up to you because, of course, you have people that like their grilled cheeses a little softer. I like mine like super buttery on the outside, super crispy. So might I say to you all, thanks for watching. But check this out, because that's how it looks close up. And I'm going to show it to you even closer. And then I'm going to show you breaking open. I like mine a little bit darker, so that's why you see it dark right there. Thanks for watching, everybody. See y'all next time. For more great recipes, tips, and ideas, check out some of my other videos.